It goes without saying that certain surfaces become slippery when wet, and this can create a serious safety hazard for staff and customers in commercial premises. Hi, I'm Tim Webster, welcome. Fortunately, there's an alternative to just rolling out the warning signs, and that is the Floorsafe anti-slip treatment. This award-winning 3- and 4-step formulation makes slippery when wet surfaces, such as tiles and concrete, fully anti-slip safe. It's quick and easy to apply, no noise, smell or mess. It doesn't change the appearance of the floor, and you don't even need to wait for it to dry. This proven Australian-made product has been preventing accidents since 1987, and it's complemented by a maintenance cleaner that both hygienically cleans the floor and revitalises that anti-slip effect. Find out more by calling the Floorsafe Australia Advice Hotline on 1300 717 769 or visit floorsafe.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.